Okay, I just received an update about it's a tropical storm, Hermine. It's going to pretty much hit landfall by Friday. That'll be tomorrow. And by then, it should become a Category 1 hurricane. There's already counties in Florida that are in a threat warning, but it's really going to threaten Florida. And the governor of Florida has said, take this storm seriously. And the surge is going to be up to 8 feet at Florida. And so, that being said, like I said in my previous video, take this seriously, really prepare, and, it's going to hit landfall in Florida by tomorrow, and he said that there's already some counties that are getting mandatory evacuations in Florida. And so I believe by the time it gets to North Carolina, it should be about between Saturday or Sunday. And so please be prepared for this storm. And everyone be safe. It's going to be affected by this storm. And please just, get the necessities you need. I will say get a radio. One that's powered by batteries. And just be prepared, because there could be anything could happen. And so I just wanted to update everyone about this. And so I hope maybe I can bring up another one as time goes on and I get more information. Also, check out CNN. That's where I got my information from. And they can keep you updated on the tropical storm Hermine, as well as it's going to become a hurricane. More than likely, it's going to be a Category 1 by the time it hits landfall. I'm sorry, y'all. So be prepared. All right, later.